Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan, and on the turntable this week we have the Matchbox number 62B Kummer TV service van. This 1/86 scale model was produced by Leslie from 1963 up to 1968. Nearing its 60th anniversary, this model has had quite some deliveries, but it's still in pretty good condition regarding its age. The paint is flaking, but the casting and the window piece don't have any breaks or cracks. Only the ladder, antenna and the 3 television sets that came with the model are missing. I will try to restore this model as closely as possible to its original factory state. The model is held by only one rivet in the front and a lip in the back. I drill out the rivet and remove the bottom plate. This holds the wheels and the frame for the roll-up door. Like is often the case with these old models, the window unit is riveted to the roof. I carefully drill away the rivet, taking care not to crack the window piece. Since the bottom plate needs a fresh coat of paint, I remove the wheels by grinding away the axle ends. The wheels, the door and the window unit go into the ultrasonic cleaner. The body and the bottom plate go into the caustic soda to remove the paint. Sometimes paint can be stubborn, but this time we have 100% paint removal. It just needs a little polish with the wire brush. I also wire brush the axles to give them back their 60-year-old shine. The plastic parts are back from the ultrasonic cleaner. The roll-up door is worn and dirty, so I go over it with a toothbrush and window cleaning liquid. Then I take out a piece of magic eraser to get rid of the rest of the dirt and scratches. It looks a lot better, although it will never look like new again. Note the rows of pins on the sides that stop the door from sliding sideways. The window unit came out very clean and just needs a bit of a polish. I use polishing compound for car headlights, then clean them with window cleaning liquid. Before I take out the paint, I drill a 1.5mm pilot hole in the rivet post. It's a pretty long post and I can go quite deep. Then I tap a 2mm screw thread and fix the screw. The bottom plate is primed in black AK Interactive Fine Primer. The body is primed with white Vallejo hobby paint. Next, the bottom plate gets a coat of Motip High Gloss Black. For the cream color of the body, I did a test with Vallejo 123 Dark Sand, which turned out to be a very close match. In hindsight, I should have lightened it a bit, but the Leslie model also came in various shades from light cream to dark cream, depending on the paint they had available. Finally, the paint is sealed with AK Interactive Gloss Varnish. When the paint has cured, I add the chrome detailing to the front grille, the headlights and the front bumper. With the paint job done and all the parts cleaned up and polished, it's time to reassemble the model. First, I attach the wheels back to the base using my watchmaker's anvil and a small hammer to create a new mushroom head on the axle ends. The window piece is dropped in place and secured over the old rivet. It holds, but the slightest pressure on the roof window might dislodge it, so I secure it to the rivet with a drop of super glue. The roll-up door is quite fiddly. First, I drop it inside the van and make sure it is lowered enough before I clip the bottom plate in place, securing the door. Then I can snap the bottom plate over the front rivet and fix it in place with a screw. For the final touch, I add the decals. I'm not sure if the decals of this model always had this darker background or if they darkened over the years, but for the sake of authenticity, I recreated them with a dark background. I made these decals myself by scanning the decals of the van in high resolution, then converting the logo to vector graphics for lossless resizing. I carefully sourced the original font for the TV service van caption. The decals were printed with a laser printer on transparent decal paper, resulting in very crisp and sharp graphics. Since the color of the van is light and the decals are transparent, they are almost indistinguishable from the originals. If you are interested in the graphics file for these decals, you can get it from my Buy Me a Coffee page for a small fee. If you become a Belgian Diecast Restorations member, you can download all my current and future decals for free. And for the finishing touch, I cut the new plastic accessories of the sprue. I got these from Model Car Parts in the Netherlands. I'll leave a link in the description. The antenna goes into the hole in front. Then the ladder is attached to the roof, and finally we have the 3 TV sets. These parts are very accurate reproductions. The antenna and the ladder fit perfectly, and the TV sets are indistinguishable from the originals. Now let's have a look at what we started out with. This Comer TV service van had seen quite some play. The paint had deteriorated and the plastic accessories were gone. Luckily there was no damage to the body or the windscreen, and the roll-up door was still in place. And this is our van after a thorough makeover with a new paint job, new decals, cleaned wheels and rear door, and a polished windscreen. It also got the accessories to make the model complete. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. More restorations are coming up. See you in the next video.